Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well and your families are doing well. And thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. This video will not be long. I have received a couple of requests, and literally about maybe two. And I was looking for the comments, but I can't find them. It's so many, right? And I'm thinking that maybe they are new subscribers, and thank you to my subbies. I appreciate you and my original and those to come. Thank you, each and every one of you. I'm so grateful. But I'm thinking maybe it is probably a new subscriber. Um, Usually if I get that request, like they're commenting on a makeup video and they say something like your lashes look really nice or something, I would refer them to the lash video. But I believe that's been maybe 3 months ago, so I thought it would be appropriate that I go ahead and do a recent or a now, in the moment. So I'm going to do this video. Hopefully it won't take too long. All right. So lashes, I typically get them from anywhere. These are from the Dollar Tree. I don't spend a whole bunch of money on them. These are the 3-2-pack from Dollar Tree. Am I holding? Oh, these are by La Mercerie. So I get those. I have these, which are more the natural ones. These are more like really glamorous, a little longer lash, and these are the most natural that I have worn ever, and they are really natural looking, that if you don't put mascara on, you really can't tell you have the lashes on. You just have a little lighter length. So I like these. I've worn those as well. So the Dollar Tree, these are from Burlington, La Fleur Voir, and they're a 5-2-pack, and these were $5.99. And then I found these recently in my makeup, cleaning up my makeup. These are the Lash Couture Faux Mink collection. This is the box if you're interested. I bought these from the beauty supply store, and these are the lashes. Y'all don't talk about me. I know I've worn these more than once. But I believe I'm going to start with these, so you can at least see the lash, you know. Um, um, some women put mascara on before they put their lashes on. I don't, not necessarily. I don't have to do that. I'm thinking that it gives them volume and they can just stick it right there, but I don't have a lot of lashes anyway. So let me just go over my eyelashes in case there's any type of oil. I did have some mascara on. Let me take that off, and then we will begin. So while that's drying, usually when your eyelashes come in the pack like this, it's pretty much a guide that this is your left, this is your right, okay? And so I've worn these before. The glue is Duo. I need to get some more. I get this from, I think I got this one from CVS, but you can get this from the beauty supply store. You can get it from Walmart, any drugstore. It's Duo. Looks a mess, and it does have the applicator, which is easier for me. Okay. I know some women can take the glue and, steady hand and do that, but this is easier for me because I can manipulate it a little bit. Okay, so I usually start with my left eye. Not sure why, but it's the most comfortablest for me. When I do even my contacts, I have to do the left one first. Let me know if you're like that, or is it just me? Before I start, I draw a line with a black or whatever color you want to use, brown, black, or what have you. I draw a line over my eye lid, and that will, let me get another. Would this one do? I think this will do. Not, I don't want to get it too, drawn in because I don't want to get it too messy and then I go over and have extra eye. I know what I'm trying to say. I don't know if it's coming out right, but I don't want it to be too messy. Okay? And so after I do that, I'm going to take my glue, and over that black line, I'm going to try to get it as neat as you can. This is not so neat, but then I'm going to take this applicator and I'm just going to draw a line over that line. And I'm going to go from corner to corner because the lash will go from corner to corner. And while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and take off my left lash. Now, when they're in the pack like this, you see the light or shorter corner there, that should go in your inner eye. The longer and wider should go on the outer. So in this case, let me go ahead and put some of the duo glue on this lash. And I'm just going to go from end to end. I'm deciding whether I want to keep them on. So I am going to an event tomorrow, and I would love to wear them. Okay, so while that's drying, you don't want to put them on when you just put the glue on, because they can slide all over. So you just let it dry just a few seconds. It doesn't have to be long. You're just looking for it to get a little sticky, okay? So that way you can press it and manipulate it where it needs to go. Now I do have some tweezers. I think I got these from CVS as well. Now you may see me use the tweezer and then go back and forth with my fingers. I'm not really used to this yet. I may not even use it, but if it would be easier for you, you can use it. All right, so I'm gonna try to put this on now. The first thing I do is I go dead in this. I'm trying not to go up with the lash like that. I'm learning, right? I'm still a beginner. So I'm gonna put this in the middle like that. And then I'm gonna start pulling it where it needs to go on each side. So far, that's what we have. I'm gonna try to be as neat as possible, y'all. Now, I can't make any promises. Okay. Now, you can take your fingers and you can pinch and make sure that the glue is sticking, or you can take your tweezers and you can pinch them and make sure that they're sticking as well. Before I do that, I want to make sure that I don't have like a gap. Okay, let me see if I want to use my tweezers. I think I'm going to still use my fingers because I just feel that it's going to stick. Maybe I didn't put the glue on as neat as I should. Okay, so far this is what we have, okay? That's what we have. And you can just kind of, play with it until you get it the way you want it to look. Now, you can go up under it. I usually go up under it with, I don't want to tell you this, but disclaimer, this is what I do. I don't know if you want to do it, but I use this part because it works better. But I did wipe it off, make sure it was clean, even though it has glue on it now. But that's what I do. So that's what we have for this one. Now, I'm going to hurry up and get off here. So let me go ahead and draw the other line. And then put the other lash on and we will be done. Okay, so I'm just going to draw another line just like that one. Oops. I'm not going to draw it too thick, just enough so I can use that line as a guide. And that's enough for me. Okay, then I'm going to put a line of this glue on here, just like I did that one. I hope you can see I'm looking in a mirror as well. So I don't want to put it on too thick because I don't want the extra glue to be all over everywhere. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I always drop something in my videos, so I apologize. So then we're going to get this one out, and this would be the shorter side goes in there, the longer side goes on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and put some glue onto this lash. I usually get a little bit more on the corners because you don't want them to lift. And you out there having a excellent time, and somebody said, or not, you go to the bathroom and see your eyelash is lifting. So that, yeah, that's what we have so far. It could be a little neater, but for now, that is what we have. And then at the end, I'll show you what I'll do. So I'm going to blow that. Now, you don't have to blow it. You can just wave it or get you a little fan, or if that's more comfortable for you. But these are going on my eyelids, so I'm okay with that. If I were to apply these to somebody else's eyes, which I know I probably would never do, I would definitely use a fan or wave it in the air or something. Okay, so let's try this one. So this is the same thing. I don't have to cut these. I've never cut them, actually. I probably should have, but I've never found a reason that I had to cut them because they kind of, you know, fit the way I need them to fit. So far, that's that one. And then I'm just going to work with it until I get it the way I want it. Okay, let's start sticking. And we're about done, y'all. And if you want to wear your eyelashes without makeup, you don't have to put makeup on. Sometimes I even do that with just a little bit of lipstick, and I'm good to go. So let's see. All right, now I'm gonna go back up under here, and we're about to wrap this up. I'm just pressing that to make sure it is sticking. Okay, let me pull this down just a little bit. Okay, I could probably pull this down just a little bit more. Let me see if it's already. I'll go over it with the eyeliner, make sure it's okay. All right, so that's what we have so far with that one. Now, let me see, I could probably, okay. So far, that's what we have. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. So then at the end, what I do is I go under my eye, which is what they call the tight line. So everything can kind of look put together. You just go up under like that. And then also in the corner, if you want to connect this part to where your eyelash starts, you could do that as well, like that. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to clean up any excess. Okay. I'm also going to go over the top with the eyeliner just to kind of bring it all together. This is what we have so far. It's not neat, but the glue that's on the top, I want to kind of combine everything. So I'm just going to go with the light little line over the top like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go over this one as well. That way any glue I have on the top, it won't be so noticeable. And then I'm going to clean this up, and then that will be it. All right. I didn't think I would be able to do it as well as the first time, and it may not be. Maybe it's me. But this is what we have, y'all. The lashes. If you're beginning to put lashes on, I hope that this would work for you. And that's it. And you can put you some eyeliner up under, and then you're done. But that's it. I just wanted to come on and do a more recent eyelash tutorial the way I do it. And I hope that you like it, and I hope that it is helpful to you as well. Let me know in the comments, okay? And I'll be back soon with the video. I'm hoping I could leave these on for tomorrow. But thanks again. I appreciate all of the love that you all send me through the comments. I really do. I honestly do. Thank you so much for your encouragement that you leave in the comments as well. Again, I appreciate each and every last one of you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in a video real soon. Take care and have a great rest of the weekend.